So we're learning to play the marionettes from the Grade 2 Trinity syllabus. We've worked all the way through to bar 25. So let's have a look at that. So just before bar 25, I'll show you the bit before because it helps you find what you need next. So this is the bit that we were doing. By all means pause between the sections while you're finding. So that's where we got to, okay? Now this next bit, can you see in the left hand you've got this chord? Just drop the middle note out and that's your chord there. And then play the same chord with the right hand. Now you've got your second finger on that deep, so you probably want to use these fingers, but you could change that, I don't mind. So you do this. So it looks very complicated, but it's the same thing in both hands and it's the same shape that you just had in the previous section. So you've just gone. So keep that one, add the A flat, lose that, just take the middle out of there. Now, the right hand does this. Now you'll want to do what I did, which is, you notice I left my thumb on, strict, it sounds fine, but in the music it's not held. So let it go, okay? But in the left hand, you hold the whole chord, so you get them together. Okay, so we end up with that. Still loud. Spiky, spiky, smooth. So that's that one there. We're going to do a similar thing, last line now. We're going to move up. The right hand, the top note is going to be C sharp with an E under it, and you might want to use the same fingering, so you had 1 and 4 there, 1 and 4 here. So the right hand will do this. Oh, and see I held that thumb again? Try not to hold the thumb. Like that, okay? In the left hand, you don't need to move your hand up because the note you need, E, is right there. So you can just go. So I'm going to backtrack, back to the first one. Then second finger ready on the E, just move your hand up. And then last bit, you want a chord at the top. Now you'll be madly searching for this, but bear in mind that that note is the bottom note of the chord you're about to play. And then you're going to play a sixth above. So not a fifth, a sixth. Okay, so that's the A and the F. And then in the left hand, you had an E there. Same deal. That's going to become the bottom note. And your thumb's going to go a sixth above, but it's a sixth that's sharpened. So you go right hand, left hand. So 1, 2, 1, 2. And then you've got a couple of bars off. 3 in total. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And the very end of the piece, you've already got your top note there, but you're going to run up to it by going, and you're going to go. Now, I've had years of doing that, but you might find yours probably goes a bit like that, maybe. Just try and get it to go. That's what you're after. And then it's going to be short. Okay. Let's go back over all of that we got there. So remember I'm just going to backtrack to bar 17 a sec, just to that whole of the last section. So here's the thing with the A major chord. And then you've got this shape. Okay, then you move up, E there, E and the C sharp there. And then that's the bottom note, add your sixth above. 1, 2, then you've got your bottom note there, but you need to move your little finger onto it. And then your thumb or your second on there. That one, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Whole thing. So that is fiddly. You'll need to spend lots of time working on that. But stick with it, it'll all come good.